If your key fob battery has died, you may have to unlock the driver's door using the hidden mechanical key. But as soon as you open the door, the factory alarm will most likely start sounding. This is completely normal and does not mean there is anything wrong with your vehicle. First, remove the mechanical key from your smart key fob. Next, remove the small plastic cover next to the driver's door handle to expose the keyhole. Insert the mechanical key and unlock the driver's door. As soon as you open the door, the security alarm will begin to sound because the vehicle was unlocked without receiving a signal from the key fob. Get inside the vehicle and close the driver's door. Now press and hold the brake pedal. Take the key fob and place the side with the lock button directly against the engine start-stop button. While touching the key fob against the button, press the start-stop button. Even though the key fob battery is dead, the vehicle can still detect the key's built-in transponder when it is held directly against the start-stop button. The engine will start and the security alarm will stop immediately. Once the engine is running, you can drive the vehicle normally. Keep in mind that this is only a temporary solution. Replace the key fob battery as soon as possible so you can continue using the remote lock, unlock, and other keyless entry functions without any inconvenience. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weez Join for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.